Okay, John and Ruth, here we are at a house that is under construction, but this is the 1688 floor plan, which is one that you emailed last night that you said you thought maybe could work. I really like this floor plan, actually. So, of course, this one's under construction, so not as finished out, but at least you got to see a completed one earlier, so you can get an idea of the finish out from that point. When you come in this one, it has a study over here on this side, which just feels like a very large study, in my opinion. So good sized study over here, and then to the left, you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So let's look at this bedroom first. Bedroom here. This one does not have a walk-in, just a large wall closet. And then you've got a full bathroom over here, so tub shower combo, sink toilet, and then this is another bedroom up here. Same thing, not a walk-in for this one, just a wall closet. And then let's go back to the entry. This particular floor plan has some options for the way it's built. We have to double check to see, but so here is a coat closet in the entry, then you continue further back. This one has an open dining room here. This is the dining room. And then that's your family room over there. The only reason this wall kind of nooks out here is because that's where your fireplace goes. And again, we'd have to check the selections on the one that is an option to see, I guess, if the fireplace is even there. Otherwise, I think it's one big open room. And then this is your kitchen space. So very similar layout to all the American Legends is that it has the large island here, right? You got your gas cooking here on the back, right? Your sink's gonna be on your island, standing here. Very tall ceilings, looking across your family room, and that's your formal dining over there. So very, very open. This one doesn't really give you a breakfast eating area. You would eat here at the bar and then have your formal dining over there. But one thing that I really love about this one is if you continue this way, it's gonna have a butler's kind of pantry area here, and you can connect all the way through down to this hallway. And then this is your walk-in pantry, which is huge. So really nice walk-in pantry. So I think that would be just a lovely kitchen open space for entertaining. If we continue this way, down the hall over here is your 4th bedroom that has its own personal connected bathroom, ensuite bathroom. So tub shower combo, got your toilet there and your sink there. This is the 4th bedroom. And then this one is the walk-in closet for the 4th bedroom. So this hallway here kind of took us in a little bit of a circle. This is the storage closet. Your utility room is over here, right? This plan has an option to be built with a media room or with this 3rd car tandem. We believe that the one that is being built as an inventory is gonna have the media room. So, so that would be over here in this space. This is your utility room right in front of me. So washer, dryer, and they are plumbing for a sink in this one. I don't know on the other floor plan if they're plumbing for that or not. But then you can walk back through here to your kitchen, or you can go this way to your formal dining room. Just got a really nice flow. I know it's a little hard to see that all when it's under construction, but this is your exit to the backyard, and this is the covered patio. Let me go show you the master. The master's tucked around, has its own little hallway into the master back here. Ceilings are vaulted, so tall vaulted ceilings here. And then the master bathroom is through here. And you've got sink, your shower is over here, toilet's in there, your tub is over here, and then you have, again, another linen closet, so lots of closets. And then this is your master closet in this one, so it's long and narrow, but it's a super big room, so that's your walk-in closet for the master. I'm gonna go look at the lots that this one is being built on to see if that would be an opportunity. Okay.